type beat, yeah. Okay, let me see some. Be something good, baby. I forgot it got freshest produce. I hope 8 gallons round trip. Yeah. We're driving to Ennis. Ennis 45-minute, 50-minute drive. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this. Hold on, y'all. Track now.
Hey yo, this is damn sweet.
Oh man, hold up. He ain't got no good beat. Oh no, I ain't rocking no beats. I need something I can. Yeah. Nah, he ain't doing that. I ain't getting some weak beats right off. Yeah, I still got that CRV. It went on and it almost croaked. I put some of that head gasket seal in it. I think I got it sealed. I don't know. It don't sound like I'm getting no good beats. My wife said no more OnlyFans and YouTube donations. Oh, okay. Oh, snap, he's gonna start working this machine. These people up here in these machines. This thing got a solid speaker. Metro phones ain't no good. Why is all these solid beats coming on? Well, I ain't never heard this many rap beats. Okay. What's up?
All right, race fans.
All right, race fans.
You guys see this up. Playboy Jeezy versus Demonology is about to go down.
Okay.
Make sure you get your places, get those phones ready, get the cameras out.
Get the cameras out, y'all.
Cause it's happening.
Hey, it's about to happen. Playboy Jeezy and Demonology about to make a pass. Probably 20 minutes from now. He about to pull his other machine out now. He about to drag the track. Ooh. He about to drag the track. Hey, y'all. He about to drag the track. Time to drag the track for all these scat packs and Hellcats. Make sure it stick good. Ooh, we was on the hood. Hey, make sure your car's hooked. I ain't trying to see a fucking tire shoot. Hey, trying to keep it hot. Ooh, these tires cost a lot. Seen a small block, thought it was big though. Ooh, we had a seed boat. Now I'm on the YouTube channel. They told me it was too much to handle. This bitch sent me $20, y'all. Almost made me just holler, y'all. But it did put a smile on my face. Putting glue all inside his shoelace. His shoes is wet. I don't really talk noise or disrespect. But I see now that his shoes is wet. Spraying all that damn glue, man, he lose. Hey. Trying to make sure y'all hooked. Trying to make the car quicker than book. Ooh, wee, with the new crew. Trying to make sure the glue stick to his shoe. Hey, what is real funny? Ooh, wee, big race coming. Got the thumbs up, I see Playboy Jeezy. Ooh, we no call, they ready. Hey, here we go, y'all. Alrighty, guys. We got Playboy Jeezy in the left lane. We got Demonology in the right lane. Which side do y'all got? Right line for the win. Demonology won. Demonology won. Hey! What happened?
Get out the game. They gonna run it back.
It caught it mess up or nothing?
They gonna run it back. You already know they gonna run it
Okay.
back. Just a little train. We get that back.
Right there,
Yeah.
man. That was tight. That was tight. As they was going down the track, I didn't know who got it. We had to wait on that light, boy. That was a really good race. Demonology got out good. Playboy Jeezy got out good. Just a clean ass good race, man.
All right, y'all.
But hey, Demonology for the win.
Demonology for the win, y'all. Look out, look out. Okay.
Hey, man.
I guess.